In a world where cloud solutions for backup exists everywhere, for example, you have OneDrive, Google Drive, Dropbox, every type of cloud backup solution that you can think of, maybe there are people like me who still like to back up their data somewhere offline. For example, I use a network attached storage, but for this example I'm going to show you how you can back up your folders, whichever folder you like, by using Task Scheduler and a simple script. Now on my desktop I have my working folder. This contains some MSIs, some other stuff that I need, and because I only have one partition on this machine, I created a folder in C called backup. Now I already went and created the PowerShell script, but I'm going to explain it. It's not something too difficult. So what I want my script to do is copy my working folder from the desktop. So this is my user profile, okay, and it says like something like C users, my username, desktop, my working folder, right? So this is the full path, and I'm going to copy whatever is here to C backup. We are going to use the recurse to copy all subfolders, and of course we are going to use the force to override any already present data there, because we are trying to create a daily backup. Okay, now my recommendation would be that this script is stored somewhere safe where you won't delete it. So it's better to have it on your other partition. So for example, or you can place it directly on C, is up to you, but I don't recommend for you to leave it here on the desktop. Now once we have the backup folder created and the backup script, we are going to open the start menu and search for the Task Scheduler and open it up. Okay, now we are going to right click the Task Scheduler library and create the basic task. In here, let's place a name for our task, so let's call it desktop backup. If you want any description, you can write it here. I'm going to click next. Now, when do we want this task to start? I want it daily because I want to back up everything that I have on my desktop daily. You can choose whatever sort of start you want here, so you want it weekly, monthly, or only one time, only when your computer starts, so forth and so on. I'm going to click next. Now this is the start date when the task will start running. You can set it, for example, to start next week, but it doesn't make any sense. I'm going to leave it to start today. Now let's say I want to back up my folder each day at 8:30 a.m.ish. Okay, and the recurrence is every day, right? You can set it to run once every 2 days, 3 days, so forth and so on. Now click next. What action do we want to perform? We want to start a program. Now in here we won't just paste the backup.ps1. Now the program we want to run is PowerShell.exe, and as arguments we are going to do the following. We are going to do the Windows style hidden, because I don't want PowerShell windows to start popping up on my desktop each day, and -file, and we are going to paste the location of the file. To do this, hold Shift on your keyboard and right click your file, and you will have this copy as path option. Click it and then just paste it here. Now let's click next. This is a sort of a summary what the task will do. Click finish and the task is created. Now if we go into C backup, we can see that it's empty. we can run the task manually. So let's right click it and click run. And my working folder is backed up in my C backup folder. You can create your PowerShell script to do everything you like. You can create it to back up your data over a network attached storage like I do. You can do whatever you want. The fact of the matter is that the Task Scheduler is a powerful tool from Microsoft and it's very easy to use. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time. Bye bye.